Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
Have caused the illness. York Regional Police were called to assist during a boat fire near Barrie over the weekend. It happened Sunday after a boat caught fire as it was passing through Big Bay Point in Innisfail. Barrie Police, Villela, and Orthodonty Fire Departments also attended the scene. It's believed an electrical issue was the cause. 4 people were rescued from the lake by other boaters. No injuries were reported. In a new report released with partners, the UN Weather Agency says climate change means more weather disasters every year. Charles De La Desma reports.
In the wake of heat waves, global warming, forest fires, storms.
Oh my god. What? Look at it. What are they doing? He almost rear-ended them, bruh. Oh my god. What? Look at it. What are they doing? He almost rear-ended them, bruh.
Little legend, nigga. Respect that. I ain't playing with you, I ain't trying to dance with you. I ain't using hands, let them rubber bands get you. It take money to go to war, and we can go to war, nigga. I ain't no real rapper, I'm a brain digger. Old school food don't make me show my age. Old school food don't make me show my age. I know things ain't work with me and your sister. So I have to offer love, you still my little sister. I'm trying to trick you. Wishing that you was here with me. I used to teach you about your feet. We were laughing together.
What the f? For the bye week, but they sat him in lieu of hopefully help down the road 100%. Now, I got to go back to your answer where you said the guy catches the ball with his hands. Do you know that about your wide receiver? And does that change where you throw the ball to people if they're more of a body catcher or hands catcher or anything like that?
I mean, I think I'm trying to tell them this stuff, but it does change.
Just the positioning of the home, like the, you know, the boundary pegs and stuff.
Right there?
Yeah. Someone just cut across
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Jesus. What a stupid she is. What is it with today?
Just completely incoherent.
I mean, if someone pulls out in front of you and somebody goes through a red light, like in, what, 2 minutes less? A minute.
People like to say that I have road rage. I don't believe them. But you know, I'll let you guys judge for yourself. So you know, we're coming up on a crosswalk. Crosswalks have stop signs for the pedestrians, but nothing for the drivers. So you know, I'm just driving, doing my own thing. You know, here it is up ahead. Here we go. You know, nothing abnormal. And then bada bing, bada boom.
Hey, you son of a bitch, it's a stop sign. Dude, stop sign. No, 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 no. Get back here, you piece of shit. Hey, it's a stop sign.
So I wait for him at the other end of the trail to give him the look of shame, my disappointment in him. But he never showed up. He probably found a grave and buried himself where he belongs. He's lucky he didn't die today, and I'm lucky I didn't run someone over today.
Stop sign, you. Mate, it's a stop sign. No. Oi. What the? Why are you being so aggressive? You're in Dashcam, you dumb. Eat a.
I'll put you into it. But then